In case you haven't heard, I just launched a brand new hot glue gun in partnership with SureBonder. So today I'm going to show you one of my favorite projects to make. I've made a playroom sign in the past, but now I wanted to create an L pom-pom sign for Lily's nursery. So to get started, here is what you need. Of course, you need your Lilly SureBonder mini detailed point cordless glue gun. You're also going to need wool pom-poms in your favorite colors. You're also going to need some rope, a scissor, and then I took a foam core sheet and cut out a letter L. So you can cut out whatever letter you want, or you can use a stencil. Keep in mind you can make this as big or as small as you want. Let's get started. When measuring and cutting out my letter, I first laid out my pom-poms to make sure that they would fit within the width and the length of my letter. Don't worry, if your lines aren't straight, I've got a hack to hide them, and we're gonna do it right now. So I want to outline my letter in a rope. You can use a thicker twine or you can use a yarn, but I like to use a rope because it actually creates a border for my pom-poms so that they don't fall off, and it puts a nice, neat finish on my project. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my cordless glue gun, and I'm gonna glue this rope right around the border of my letter. Check out the precision point in action. How nice and thin it lays the glue. And I love that this cordless glue gun lets you use it for 2 minutes off the charger, so I can just set it down on my table, and my nice little fins on the side protect my surface, and it'll last for 2 minutes. Make sure that when you're putting your rope down, you're going to the edge because you don't want to see the edge of the foam core. Did you also know that the base has a built-in non-stick glue pad to protect the surface that you're crafting on? Once the rope border is done, my next tip is to take your pom-poms, lay them out on the entire letter first so that you can make sure they're spaced properly, and also that you've got your colors balanced. Next, it's time to glue our pom-poms on. I'm gonna do it section by section, making sure that I'm altering my colors so I don't get too much of one color in each area. I'm gonna pull my handy dandy glue gun off the base and glue each one. You just need a little bit of glue, hold them in place for a second, and then move on to the next. One of the reasons why I was so excited to partner with SureBonder was because I love their glue guns and the fact that they are so safe. Inside of every glue gun, there is a safety fuse. So in the unlikely case that there is a short in the glue gun, it will automatically shut off. I don't know about you, but it makes this mama feel safe about using the glue gun in my craft room and at home. All right, all done. So I'm gonna put my glue gun back on the stand and then switch off the switch. I don't even have to unplug it. Another great feature of the Lilly SureBonder glue gun. All right, you guys ready to check out the project? Ta-da! How cute is that? So no wooden letter needed. All you needed was foam core and, of course, your hot glue gun. I'm so excited to put this in Lily's room. I think she's gonna love it. All right, guys, join the craft squad and make sure that you get your Lilly SureBonder hot glue gun. You can get it at surebonder.com/LynnLilly. Make sure that you share your pictures with us. I want to see what fun things that you're making with it. So make sure you tag at CraftBoxGirls and at SureBonder. Use the hashtag CraftSquad. I can't wait to see what you guys make. Happy creating.